Hi guys, here we've got DOOGEE V20 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, open Messages or any other area where you can input some text. Then go to a new one, and here you've got the current language of your keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings icon, pick Languages, tap on Add Keyboard. Here you can notice that the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable no matter where you're from. Okay, so we've got the end of it. So this is it. You just need to locate the language you would like to apply, mark it, tap on Done, then remove unnecessary languages, or if you wish you can leave them and then you will be able to switch between languages while writing. But as you can see, from now on brand new language is set, so if you would like to use Hebrew, this is how it works. Obviously you can change it again the same way. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.